Everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. In this video, I'll be just giving an update on a stock that could double in the next 12 months, and also I'll be giving an update on my whole journey to 10k. So let's get to the video. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your research before consulting my videos, and my videos are just for education and entertainment purposes. Also, before we get to the video, feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn about investing. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. So let's get to the video. Before we get to the one stock that could double for my portfolio, we're just going to talk about just an update on two stocks. So I'm not going to talk about much about this. So I'm currently down 0.2%. So that's alright. So next week, if this stays between the $50, $55 and $60 range, load up on the stock no matter the price, because this is going to double in 2021. This is a great buying opportunity. So the next stock we're talking about is clean energy fuels. So I talked about this stock last week, and it went up 27% since then. So I'm currently up 27.03%. So I still think this is a buy, but I do think you shouldn't buy right now at its current highs. I do think you should wait for a pullback to around 10.50 to 11.50. We're now going to talk about the stock that I just added this week that could double. The stock we're talking about in this video is called Tattooed Shift. It is ticker symbol TTCF. I currently have 4 shares, 4.0948 shares. Super happy to get at this low of a price, and I'm currently up 6.64%. It's currently up 1.19% on the day, and on the week it's 5.73%. If we check on the year, it's currently up 67.02%. This currently has a 1.61 billion market cap, so it's a relatively new company. So I do think this has so much room to grow. Basically, it's a food company that provides plant-based food products to their customers. So basically, vegans will benefit a view of their products. So go to the website. This is one of their products. It's a plant-based cauliflower mac and cheese bowl. It's currently 18 grams of protein, 3/4 of cup vegetables, and it's vegetarian. So it's a vegan, plant-based. So it's currently $10. So I do think that is a good price, considering it's plant-based. That is a really good price. Tattooed Chef announces redemption of public warrants. Cash balance by 124 million. So this is really good news for this company, because they have more cash available. So on their balance sheet they'll have more cash, which means they're less likely to go into debt anytime soon. So basically they can use this cash to introduce new plant-based products to increase customers, increase revenue, because there'll be more customers wanting to buy these plant-based products. It also means they can use this cash to introduce more producing units. So one is based in Italy and one is based in America. Look at their earning reports and see if they're a stable company. 65% increase in their revenue compared to 2019. So that was a record of $41 million. So that's really good. So in September 30, 2019, they had revenue around 58,117. But in 2020, September 30 last year, they had $108,896. So that is a good increase in revenue to determine if they're in debt. So currently they have around 66,000 in total assets. So they have total liabilities of 58,824. So they have more assets than liabilities, so that's a good thing. September 30, 2020, they have cash of 3,182. It's decreased from 2019. In my opinion, I do think this is a bad thing. They should have had more cash on hand. I would have expected this company to have more cash in hand compared to 2019, but I guess it's not that bad of a decrease, so I'm fine with that. But I do think the massive news we got, this news was released on this year, January 14. So they have extra 124 million cash. So I do think that's a good thing. So let's look at some price targets for this company. So they have a price target of $23.50, which is a minus 5.01% downside from its current price. They have a high of $26 and a low of $21. If you believe in the company, what they do, you believe in their fundamentals, and you believe in their future, then invest in the company. But they still have one buy and one hold and 0 sales, so that's a good thing. What other institutions are doing, so according to their fund fillings, there are approximately a number of institutions that are closing their positions on the stock, so that's not looking too good. But however, there is one institution called IFP. There's one institution that increased their positions on the 25th of January, which is about a week ago, so 2 weeks ago. price analysts, I do think they think that the price is going to go down, but however, you shouldn't base your decision on other people's opinions. You should do your research, and if you believe in the company, you believe in their fundamentals, and you believe in their future, and you believe in what they do, then invest in the company no matter what other people say. I'll show you guys how I would invest $1,000 in this company. I would have a price target around $23 to $24. I'd put my first $250 on that. Then the next day if it drops, on Tuesday if it drops to $23.50, I would put my next $250 on that. Then the next day if it drops to even $23, I would put my next $250 on that. Then the last day on Thursday, if it drops to $20, I'll put my last $250 on that. The reason we do this, we split our capital in four for this company, is because when average down on cost, we don't want to put it all at once, because what if the stock dips even further? You won't have capital, you won't have cash on hand to invest in this company, and you'll be missing out on these dips. If you guys miss out on this company and you don't get it at the price you want, don't worry, there's going to be many other stocks to invest in. But I'm just going to quickly talk about my price targets for this company. Veganism. So basically, in the United States, plant-based products sale grew by 31.3% between 2017 and 2019. So what this means for 2021 and ahead, I do think plant-based products will increase amongst these years. The global population will eat meat by 2040. So this is great for the stock, holding this for a good 5 years. So my low price target for this is that it could go to low as $20, but my high price target for this could reach well above $60, in my opinion, in this year. So that is just my personal opinion. If you guys believe in plant-based food and the future of plant-based food as vegans, then this could be a great company. Don't chase the stock. If it doesn't go down, there'll be other plays to invest in. So that's the end of the video. Feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn about investing. To subscribe to me if you want to see more videos like this. And that's for it from me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and see you guys in the next one. Happy investing.